What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. The start of another week. October 31st, Halloween. Will I be dressing up? No, you know why? Because I'm lame. But I'll hand out some candies to the trick-or-treaters. Here you go, kids. Fucking creep. Okay. I got my little snack here. Almonds with chocolate. A little bit of dark chocolate and pumpkin seeds, trying to stay healthy on this Halloween Monday. So we're currently sitting at 20.5K. We're down 1.9 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 390 billion. 24-hour volume 39.24 billion. I saw this video of this guy. He has like a miniature mannequin. He put a Spider-Man outfit and went up to people's doors and put the mannequin down, ringed on the doorbell. And they're like, "Oh, your kid is so cute." And he's like, "Yeah, he's deaf. Just give him some candy." He gives the candy, picks up the mannequin, goes to the next house. Genius! All right, you guys don't care. Let's get into it. If you're new to BitGet, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. Once you make your first deposit, email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we're going to start here on the daily time frame. I do think a little bit more pullback is likely. We're about to print the bullish cross on the daily time frame. We're coming back to the EMAs. If we hold the bullish cross, it is a strong indication of continuation. Boom, bullish cross, pump to the upside. Boom, bullish cross, pump to the upside. Boom, bullish cross, pump. Bullish cross, pump. Even here, bullish cross, we saw a nice push. Well, it didn't actually have the bullish cross right here. Let's give some examples in the bear market. So we had the bullish cross, saw its continuation before coming back down, had the bullish cross, saw continuation before coming back down. So once again, we're about to print the bullish cross. No, I do not want to make a trade. So if we hold it, I do expect a push up to 22.5 and quite possibly 24 to 25K on this rally. We've broken out of this falling wedge pattern. Technical target 25,000. Now looking at the DXY here, hold on, this is not the chart that I wanted. Let me just quickly pop open. Okay, perfect. Let's quickly look at the Elliott wave count and then we'll pop over into the DXY. This is not the correct chart. Sorry about this, guys. Very unprofessional of me. I have so many Bitcoin charts. Okay, here we go. We're going to actually pop over to the 4-hour time frame here. So a couple scenarios. The likely scenario, in my opinion, we completed a 5-wave move, and now you're putting in an exaggerated ABC correction to bring you down to 19.1 to 19.7. And we have a 4-hour bearish divergence with a double top pattern. We have more room to come down on this 4-hour bearish divergence. So I think it's likely we at least come down to that 19.7, 19.8 level. However, we have met the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback. So potentially we could push up in this wave 3, which is here in yellow, and this is a wave 1 with a wave 2, and then we're going to push up. But however, if we break 20.1K, it invalidates that, which I think is likely, and we come down a little bit deeper. But if we were to bounce from this level here, then we can start to push up in an impulsive wave 3, in my opinion. Taking a look at the DXY, we've seen a nice bounce as we predicted on the channel here. Just watch 111, major level of resistance, and we are starting to trend towards overbought on the 4-hour time frame. And when we do trend towards overbought, usually, excuse me, my apologies, how rude. Usually you do see a little bit of pullback. As you can see right here, we're overbought. We pushed a little bit higher and then we pulled back. So we may push up to 111. We also have resistance up here at about 112. So in that area, look for a potential rejection for the DXY and then seeing continuation to the upside. The DXY pushes up, the Bitcoin falls to support, the DXY drops down, hopefully breaks down out of this blue channel, and the rally continues for BTC. If we break these levels of resistance and the DXY pushes all the way up to the top of this channel, not good for the price of Bitcoin, but I don't think it's the more probable scenario. Looking at the NDQ 100, this is the NASDAQ 100 index. We're about to print that right shoulder. Well, we are printing that right shoulder as we've been covering here on the channel. So if we do come up and retest this neckline, then we can see a large breakout to 12,888. See a nice rally for the stock market, and crypto will follow suit. Now let's look at the daily time frame. Just starting to get back above the 20 EMA. So if we can hold it as support and get back above the 55 as well, have that bullish cross, that would be a nice strong sign, just as we did right here, of seeing a rally to the upside. We've been talking about that bullish divergence. We're sitting on a strong level of support for the NASDAQ 100, and we also have a bullish divergence on the weekly. So good chance of seeing a bounce in my opinion, but of course anything can happen. So in the short term here, we want to see Bitcoin hold the EMAs. Sometimes you'll see a bit of a fake out where it will break below the EMAs and then you'll bounce above it. But if we do print the bullish cross and Bitcoin holds, historically, it does lead to a push to the upside in the majority of cases. So that would be a strong sign of continuation. I would expect a drop down in between 19.8 and 19.1, 19.7. Most likely in between about 19.6 and 19.8. See all the support and resistance in this area. Massive level for the price of Bitcoin. But as I mentioned, we have met the minimum target, so technically we could push up from here. I don't think it's a more probable scenario with this bearish D, signifying to us the bulls are running out of strength and a double top, but it wouldn't be the first time that Bitcoin tricked everybody out. Is that the right word to use? Tricked everybody out kind of sounds silly. Fooled everyone. And then you saw a bounce to the upside, so do look for that. But the more likely scenario in my opinion is a little bit of further pullback, which would be healthy. All right, that's it for this one. Sign up to BitGet, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Currently in profit for Solana, Engine, Sand, Mana. I gave all signals there, and my analysis, which you can get early access to. And sometimes I don't make videos on certain coins, but I will drop the analysis in the Discord for $10 a month. It's really only the price of a McDonald's Big Mac meal. You can sign up through the Patreon if you'd like to. All right, see you in the next video. Smash that like button. I never asked for that. All right, peace. Much love.